People, so this is my child eating Pani Puri in Gokarna. Chiku, take a bite of it. Oh, don't put for everything, beta. Put for one and then tell how it is. Nahi to all the water will flow out.
Okay.
Tell me. Come. How is it? Really? It's good? I'm also tempted to. I'll eat probably one. Come. See, it might take some time, but come. This is how it's made, and I am so tempted to eat the next one. But then I always tell myself it has to be 1 minute video. Put it in the next one. Yeah, that's right. And in fact, we'll offer it to the rest of the group that is there. Ayush, you've not told me how the taste is. Tell everybody. So this is it. All also done.